Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about plotting functions. Okay, so let's see what is it. So first we have to find a slope. In our last session we studied about the linear functions that we need to create. The same thing was written there. So here we have already read about this, what all the details we need to find, how to find a slope here. Okay, so these are the normal formats that you can see. We have already studied in the last lecture. You can see once like how to find it. Okay, all you need to do, you just need to fx2 minus f of x2 minus f of x1 by x2 minus x1. These are the format you should learn about. Okay, the another form we are having is to find the depth slope. How to find a depth slope? Okay, so first you have to write s equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Return s, print slope, and then it will automatically provide you what all the details that are available. Okay, find the intercept. The intercept value will be given to you, and the intercept is used to find the tune of the function ability to predict the calorie burners. It will predict how to find it. Like once you're going for something average speed and average time you are taking, then it will automatically find like in how much time you have burned how much calories. Okay, so you have to give all the values for that. So here in intercept the value of y when x is equal to 0. So if you see that average pulse is x and the calorie burnage is y, that is 80. So the intercept is 80. Sometimes the intercept has a practical meaning, sometimes it's not. Okay, so it will provide you with the help of that. The details will be given, and with the help of that, it will provide you the average of this depth slope. Okay, so then it will be able to know that how many calories you have burned and how much time you worked on it and everything related to the sports for whatever the details are given. Okay, so I hope you understood this much, like how to work on it. Okay, so you can try this particular format I have mentioned here. The syntax is already mentioned. Depth slope s equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. In y2 you can give the burnage, and the x1 you can give the pulse rate. Okay, and after that you just write return s and then print slope and the y2 values, x1 values, y1 values, x2 values, and the y2 values. These are the details, these are the format you should fill your numbers. Okay, so these are the details you can provide. Fine. After we are having one few things. Does it make sense that average pulse is 0? No, you would be dead and you certainly would not burn any calorie. Okay, so however we need to include the intercept in order to complete the mathematical function's ability to predict calorie burnage. Okay, so it will to we have to give some number, otherwise there is none. So there's nothing like a none. You have to burn something, right? If you're sitting also, you're burning something. So number should be given. Fine. So other examples where in an intercept is the mathematical function can be practical meaning. So it will provide you, like it is like to assume that the company will still have some revenue even though if it does not spend any money on the marketing. So some calories are, we should know that some calories are burning, otherwise it will not give you any result. That means the person is not doing anything, that like the person is dead. Okay, so we have to give some values, then only this the average will be found. Otherwise everything is 0, then nothing will be found out. So you have to give some value, then only this function will work. The calorie burnage will come correctly. Okay, so predict next year's revenue by using the marketing expenditure. So that work like that. So find the slope and intercept using the Python. How to find it? We have already worked on the NumPy. Now here we are having np.polyfit. Okay, so this is the way to find it. You can also see on screen that I have provided one code here. This is the syntax how you can find it. So you can write it in this way. X value will be given, Y value will be given, and then slope underscore intercept np.polyfit x, y, and 1. Okay. After that, the print slope intercept. So it will automatically provide you the detail. So here we will define the mathematical function in the Python. So the another thing I have mentioned how to find it, you just need to write function of x and then the detail and my functions 135. So it will automatically provide you the details that are available. So I hope you understood that much. Once you will try, then you will get it properly. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to data science. Thank you so much.